And we are back now on Fox Weather on the Fox Business Network. A lot that we are looking forward to, right? With the holidays just around the corner, we're literally less than 2 weeks away from Christmas and holiday shipping deadlines. Those are quickly approaching, my friends, and some of them are happening as soon as this week. So what's that mean? The final countdown is on. And of course, we are joined by Fox News business contributor Gary Kaltbaum, president of Kaltbaum Capital Management, here with some more insight. Gary, always great to see you. And I am like your target audience right now because I literally just ordered a gift yesterday. And I'm thinking to myself, is this thing gonna even like make it in time? So give me a couple of those deadlines that I need to be, watching out for.
A big, fat, juicy yes. Most packages will make it on time, but plan. Know when FedEx is the late date, no UPS, no Amazon. You need to know that over 100 million packages are delivered now every day, 100 million packages. So they're on their game right now. They've hired a lot of seasonal employees to make sure this all gets done. But it's really incumbent on the consumer, know the dates as they get closer. There are 3-day moves. There's going to even be 1-day deliveries if you want, but I'm not so sure I'd be depending on that. Why? You're the Weather Channel, the Fox Weather Channel, and you never know if weather's going to get involved. So I would suggest be very early.
And you know what, Gary, like looking at the forecast that week before Christmas, things could get real interesting real quickly. So I'm curious, from what you know, what's like the panic day, right? What's like the last day that you can actually order something offline and still be fairly confident that it'll actually get there if weather's not an issue?
Each company has what they known as their drop dead day, but I would just tell everybody the 20th.
Okay.
I don't know if you'd call it the panic day, but that's where it gets a little bit tough. Just remember, unfortunately, people kind of sit on their you-know-whats and they wait to the last minute very often, the procrastinators. And when you get so many moving at one point in time, it gets tougher. So again, the earlier the better, the sooner the better. And again, know those dates. Plan it out because you want to get those packages and those gifts for your loved ones there on time.
No later than December the 20th is what I'm hearing. I'm writing that down and I'm going to circle that and highlight that in my planner, that's for sure. All right, Gary, question for you, because we're on the Fox Business Network as well, and this is something that I'm so curious about, is what is known as the Santa Rally. And I'm wondering if you can explain that and how that could impact the stock market.
Well, typically, December is one of the strongest months, if not the strongest month. It occurs because, number one, the consumer's doing fine, but number two, it's the happiness and the holiday and the big money crowd, the mutual funds and the hedge funds, they tend to jump over each other on price, and it just feeds price in the market. It's not very often December is down, and we're seeing it again. And there's some pockets of weakness, but I have to tell you, in the last couple of weeks, airlines and cruise lines and retail stocks, which were dead for a long time, are into new yearly highs. Things like Ross Stores, even down and out Lululemon, which has had a very bad year, was up big time on their recent earnings report. So it's in pretty good stead right now, and let's hope it continues into next year, because it makes the consumer feel wealthier and tends to spend more, which helps the economy and helps the job market.
Yeah, you know what? I'm so looking forward to seeing, whether or not this Santa Rally comes into fruition, especially when it comes to tax loss harvesting, that whole thing toward the end of the year. Gary, I always appreciate your insight. Thank you so much for another lesson in what we're considering market meteorology. Always appreciate your insight.
And happy holidays to everybody there. You take care.
Absolutely. You too. I really appreciate that.